Hey guys, so I am just walking to my car to go pick up something from my mom's work and do like little errand things. But today should be fun because I'm going to head over to Tommy and Kat's house and we're going to go see my friend's band play for the last time because one of their members is moving to China because you just get up and do that, you know. And I hate that I had to park literally a mile away because after 15 years they put the no parking signs from Thursday at 12 to 4 and now they changed it to Wednesday from 7 to 10 and I'm just like no. Seriously, who does that? Who changes this stupid time thing on the I don't even know the word, on the street sign, street whatever. I'm mad. Okay, because it used to be at like 12, so you didn't have to get up really early if you had to move your car and it was great. And now 7 a.m.? That is the middle of the night. I gotta go home and pack and get everything sorted so I can head over there. And I'm waiting for Tommy to text me back what time I should be there-ish. Make sure I have the tickets. Oh, I'm hungry. I need something to eat. Okay.
Glendale Galleria.
Okay, yeah.
Glendale Galleria, where dreams come true.
Kind of. I've never been here, and I need to be here.
Always. I know, it's an indoor mall. How rare for California.
Both of my malls are indoor. Oh, how pretty! Across the street from where we just were, wherever you saw us. And it's super pretty, and it looks like the Grove. It's real pretty. Oh yeah, it looks exactly like.
Yeah, it's. I mean, they
got it.
The like trolley. It's the same.
Oh really?
It's got to be the same designer.
It's gonna be the same designer.
You're so tall. I always have to go like this. Get
like,
on my level.
I'm like 4 feet. 4 foot nothing.
Everything's so pretty. You're not in this video. It's not about you all the time. We all looking good.
We are looking fresh.
Look at this one.
We are looking fine. We are looking fresh. That looks.
Oh, I can vlog at the same level as you for once.
Cause you tall.
Oh,
And there's
we're
that.
fabulous.
I love you.
I love you just so much.
It's a video. It's not like we're sitting.
No, I thought we were. I was like, hey.
My tongue is still blue.
Oh, Roman.
Like ferociously blue. Here after being lost in an alleyway for 20 minutes. That is
the alleyway.
It's real sketchy, but I'm excited.
Rocking all the stuff, the band to the Harry Potter. Take a break from society. Take a glass, you instead of. Cigarettes are favorite way of getting sugar. My trouble down. Come home in the morning light. God said she's gonna hold me tight. Time just right down and she goes, she spins me round and round.
It's weird not driving. I'm usually the one driving. You gotta lie, but you just watch the road. All the things.
Name soon.
My tongue is still blue.
What you gonna do?
What?
It's
Well, I
only
mean,
a little bit though. It's only teen.
Yeah, that's still blue.
It's only
It's
teen.
not like it's been a
I
million.
don't even know if you can see that on camera. You can't.
Whoa.
There's fireworks.
What is that?
What is over there?
That's not even just fireworks. That's like constant
But where is it? What's
sparkles. I mean, that's Hollywood.
Hollywood.
over there? So is it like the Chinese theater or like that area?
Maybe.
No, it's not that
It's
far.
not that far down. What the hell? Drive to it.
Oh, I guess it is. We're kind of that far.
Oh, can you see that in the
I'm
background?
gonna hit this child. Whoops.
What? That's a woman.
She looks about 4 years old.
That's so weird.
Electrical fire.
It's colorful, so maybe
Over
not.
there.
Wow.
What is it? Like, where is it coming from?
Like,
That's
there's
my
millions
question.
of fireworks.
I really don't know.
I
We're
wanna
down.
know what it's
This
coming
is.
from.
We're by Hollywood High School.
Oh, where Chick-fil-A is.
Yes.
What the hell is over there then?
Chick-fil-A.
What?
Maybe it's the school on fire?
No. I mean, what?
What's behind there?
So many fireworks is behind there. Is behind there. I'm really good at English.
Weak in English. Lots of English. Walgreens. What?
A ton of smoke.
Well,
The people right in front of it can't even see
The
it.
problem is I can't zoom in, and you can kind of see it. I'll zoom in on the computer, but that's so weird. Like, what is it coming from? I want to touch it.
You 2 days early, boo-boo. 2 days early.
You mean you know?
There we go.
Okay.
Your pretty face. Stuff in my eyes.
Stuff in your
As
eyes.
usual.
Stuff on your head. You know, we're trying to go to Chick-fil-A, but like we don't have a parking space, so we just have to wait here. You know
It's
what
your
I mean?
shoulder. Oh my god.
She thought it
I'm
was her
literally
boob.
I'm sitting here looking in the screen and I'm like, Catherine?
What? Oh, did my shirt fall off? Oh no, that happens all the time. Oops.
What's with you tonight?
Me?
Pushing my way out. Running away.
You're like drunk.
No, I'm not.
A little bit of coke.
She's Kasha. It's Kasha. That's Kasha.
People are gonna be like, wait, really?
I know.
You got that blue eyeliner on too, so.
That I do. On the bottom, you see it. Please tell me you're leaving. Please.
They're emptying trash. They work there.
No, that guy with all the stuff. He's going back
He's
to his
going to
car.
Rite Aid.
No.
No, we
I'm
ain't.
telling
No,
you.
we ain't. No, we ain't. No, we ain't. He going to the street where he parked so he can get in his car and drive away.
Who's this?
You're crazy. What?
You
This
have
is
Sharon.
me, girl.
You have Paul.
That's a different version.
I ain't got a name yet. My parents, when I was born, they just called me baby girl. So on my birth certificate, it says baby girl, but you can call me whatever you like. P.S. I'm
Baby girl, you could call me whatever you
I'm
like.
Chinese.
Believe everything he says.
Believe all the things. All the days.
You're gonna cocoon. Please don't die.
Trying not to.
No zombifying.
Haka-san! I don't really know what that means, but... Oh, it's a nightclub.
How do you-
Got
Oh.
it.
What if your hair was like that?
Tony's always
I'm
beautiful.
drunk.
You're draping.
I'm just waiting for a perfect Don't wait till I do wrong. Don't wait till I
Good
put
job.
up a fight.
Just kidding.
People keep coming in and they're like, never mind. Because they see us waiting and they're like, okay, so it's going to be at least 2 cars before I get
But we're patient.
I'm just excited that
With
this
an M?
Chick-fil-A is open
Forever,
forever because like
because it's
mine closes
Hollywood.
at 10.
Those
Yeah,
are my
you sat
whistle
over there.
notes.
I don't know how I did that.
You were like, but like 6 octaves higher.
I don't know how, I just went, and then
You were like,
Trying
still
not
on
to
the
look.
shot.
good job!
Hi. Older people trying to come in
Oh my God.
to this one part.
We're at the gas station. Oh, fireworks. I don't know. Yes, I'm vlogging. We don't look real weird at the gas station at all. There's people like putting fireworks off and it's like, year early. We traded parking spots with Tommy because I was in a school zone and I'm not about waking up at 6 a.m. to move my car. And now we're just waiting because parking on a street is horrible. So who knows how long this will take. But I'd rather, because I'm in a parking spot right now, but technically I'm where a fire hydrant is, like just a couple inches, and I don't want to risk a ticket, so we's gonna wait. It's 12:30 now, and still parking. That's better. Oh well, now you can't see Kat.
It's okay.
You're zombifying right now.
I'm sorry. I have an R2-D2 shirt on.
I don't know if you can tell, but right there is the Griffith Observatory. Literally, on here it looks so small, but in front of us it's so huge. 3:30 a.m. and we just found a parking spot. We didn't sit out there the whole time. We parked in like a driveway and then moved it, but 3:30 a.m. and no. So we finally rolled out of bed at noon.
Wait.
And where are we going?
We're going to Sally's Beauty so that I can get my weed. And then we gonna go over, probably the Rite Aid, because I need a Gatorade. And then we probably gonna go, this is me. We probably gonna go over to Universal, spend our day,
Do what we do.
and live life, you know?
So that's what I've dealt with. We're in the back lot, yeah?
Yep.
Yeah.
Hello.
Mine's on top. Thank you.
Hello.
Look at all the cool things.
Zipping, I'm zipping.
Following the tram. Good
Following
vlog.
the tram.
Good
Also,
vlogging material.
gotta-
Yes! California living.
I know, getting that
It's a Thursday and it is so busy. Do you see this?
so busy.
I love walking through here because it's like all these sets and like it's real but it's fake.
Yeah.
I can't believe you've never done this. We're doing like the Hollywood. We're doing the Hollywood like horror thing and it's like scares me. Share your experience.
Unacceptable.
You lost your sunglasses, you were that
They're
scared.
gone. They're gone.
It was air conditioned and fun though. I think there's a mister right here.
And now we're going to take you from Grandview in Hill Valley and enter another city altogether, guys. Believe it or not, we are now making our way right into New York City. We can transport. And now, everybody, give a big friendly hello wave to some of our A-list celebrities right here. That's right here. In case we need them for another installment in the series. Because guess what, guys? There is a. Now, hold on. Do you guys hear that rumbling sound, or is that just my imagination? No, there is a flash flood. It's headed to the ground. Everybody take cover. Ta-da! Weather. That's all we gotta do, guys. And we use that exact same flash flood effect for a movie called Big Bang. Shark out there in the water. Now you sign a new name. You never know where. Find up, pop it up. There is good old Norman Bates right there. Now, not to worry, okay? He's actually a lot of progress here with us. He's actually moved back and reopened our base hotel for business, and I think he even has a customer in there today, guys. Let's have a little look, see what's going on here. Oh, and look at this, guys. He is such a nice guy. He is helping this poor woman all the way over to her trunk. Okay, guys, let's all just smile and wave and say, hi, Norman. Say it, guys. Say it. Hi, Norman. It's okay. We just brought some guests by to say hello. The place looks super nice. That's a knife. Let's get out of here. Okay, everyone say bye, Norman. Oh, what is he doing? He is not slowing down. He is making...
I mean, it's a real trash can, but it might just... There's nothing in it.
There, yeah.
Is it trash? Like...
At the bottom, there's a trash bag. It's real.
I look real tired. Hi! So I'm back home and I have showered, flat ironed my hair. I need to pack for tomorrow because tomorrow's 4th of July and I'm going with Amy and her family to somewhere snazzy. It is 1:30 in the morning and I need to leave by 10 a.m. Sleeping should happen soon. So I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Yeah. There you go. He's like the happiest person on earth. Yes!
Oh my
gosh, yes!
Yeah!
Woo! Vlog of the year.
Hell yeah. This is your thumbnail.